Steps in the Right Direction by Chandler Hall. It is 2004. You are in downtown New York, New York, and sitting across from the two most promising business prospects in the U.S. You turn to one and pull your trademark line. You're fired. You are Donald Trump, one of the most successful businessmen in the world, and part of the most successful business family in the U.S. today. His story is one of rags to riches. In his book, The Art of the Deal, Trump told the most important things he needed to get to the top. These were a positive environment, persistence, and acting like who you wanted to be, or as he calls it, faking it until you make it. Like Trump in The Art of the Deal, or Santiago in The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, everyone needs certain things to get where they want to go. Depending on where you want to go, you could probably determine what you need to succeed. What I need to succeed on my life journey as a small arms and weapon designer for the U.S. military is common sense, extreme patriotism, and an early opportunity. First, on my life journey to be a weapons designer for the U.S. military, I will need common sense. Common sense is necessary for this job because in battle, simplicity is often the best offense. It is better to have a simple and effective system rather than an inefficient and inconvenient one. When you overcomplicate weapons, a soldier's life could be at stake. Anything from operation to reloading can affect the outcome of a battle. Two great examples of this are when weapons developed from using lead musket balls to actual bullets, and when the world made the transition from bolt action to automatic rifles. The first example shows how common sense was used to modify the ammunition system in small arms so they had an amazing increase in range and accuracy. The second example shows how the entire redesigning of technology affected all of war, and it gave our soldiers a great advantage over opponents. Now you see how important common sense is. The second trait I need is extreme patriotism. In order to fully understand and succeed at this job, you need to have a strong desire and dedication to it. In this case, that desire and dedication to serve our military equates to patriotism. It is important to have this quality when doing this job because if you don't have full respect and dedication to it, then the military, then your quality of work will not be your best. That could result in hundreds of U.S. lives lost. Last but not least, the thing I would need to succeed as a U.S. military arms designer is an early opportunity. I come from a whole family of business people. My mom's side of the family is involved in a 3-generation family business. My dad's side of the family is filled with entrepreneurs, from musicians to United States Air Force jet engineers. I want to specifically focus on my grandfather for this last quality. He was part of the United States Air Force, a jet engineer, and a titanium metallurgist. I recently had the opportunity to meet with engineers in the field and attend some private tours of production plants such as the Apache helicopter and the Boeing 787 plant, thanks to his contacts. This early introduction to engineering is what sparked my inspiration to pursue the job. Those are the 3 things I need to become a successful U.S. military engineer. With a focused plan using these 3 components, I believe I have what it takes to succeed. What I need to succeed on my life journey as a small arms and weapons designer for the U.S. military is common sense, extreme patriotism, and an early opportunity.